Hi, Don Hicks here, dealer principal of Porsche Colorado Springs, and I would like to welcome you to our family. Now that you've spent some time with your new vehicle, we want to make sure you know about the service experience you can expect with your first complimentary maintenance. Scheduling your first maintenance couldn't be easier, whichever way you prefer, by phone, email, online on our website, or through the My Porsche app. Also, be sure to take advantage of our second delivery program to dig deeper into some of the functions of your new car. Our service department is available Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., and Saturday from 8 to noon. We also have an after-hours drop box. With our team of certified Porsche brand ambassadors, you can expect to have a quick and easy check-in process. Our factory-trained technicians will take care of your vehicle to ensure it is ready for peak performance. We invite you to please make yourself comfortable in our customer lounge anytime you're here. Try out our state-of-the-art driver lab simulator upstairs. Need to get some work done? Use our high-speed Wi-Fi in a private customer work center. Choose from a variety of premium snacks and beverages. Please enjoy an espresso or cappuccino brewed with premium, locally sourced Loyal coffee. We offer a variety of alternate transportation options, including shuttle rides, ride-sharing, or Porsche loaner vehicles. When you pick up your Porsche, you can expect a quick and hassle-free experience in your hand-washed car that's ready to go. Thank you again for being part of the Porsche Colorado Springs family. We are all here just to serve you.